Hi, this is Anne-Marie D'Agostino, and this is my lesson on inserting online pictures into your PowerPoint presentation. So, first, if you'll follow me, my arrow up to picture. Okay, so here we have a PowerPoint slide that says the view of the lake. Obviously, there is no view of the lake, so we have two different ways that we can insert an online picture. We can either go to the icon right here in the slide and click on that online picture, or if you'll move up to the insert area and click on that, you can see that directly below the insert you can also click on online pictures. So either one of these will get you to the same destination. So let's go ahead and use the one up here at the top of the screen. So click on the online pictures, and while they load, you have options here that you can use. Because the slide that I am presenting is a picture of a lake in Maine, that's exactly what I'm going to look up. So I can always use one of these other slides, just stock photos, or I can look up my own. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'm going to look up lake in Maine, which is where I like to vacation. And here you see there's a beautiful picture of what is very reminiscent to me of my view of the lake. So I'm going to click on that one. As you can see, the border has lit up in orange. There's a check mark in the corner. And you can see the screen here a little bit. At the bottom, you'll see that we have the insert. And that I can either insert two pictures, which as you'll see adds up to two. But in this case, I only want to do the one. So I'm going to click on insert one. And from that point, you see the picture has arrived. You can move it and you can frame it. You can add, borders or anything from this point on. But as you can see, it was very simple to get this online picture of a view of the lake. So I hope that helps everyone, and I look forward to working with you guys during the school year. Thanks very much.